learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。你知道吗？我最近才发现有一道菜，其实我很喜欢。然后呢，人家说这好像其实就是客家菜的一个耶。
哪一种？
就是梅干扣肉啊。
哦，梅干扣肉，我知道啊。
是不是？
对啊，对啊。
真的是客家菜啊。我一直以为只是台湾料理而已。
我们都讲鹹菜乾控肉。
鹹菜乾控肉，控肉应该是控肉吧？
对，就是控肉。
一听到就知道那很好吃。那鹹菜乾是？
就鹹菜乾呢，就是你刚刚讲的福菜。
就是
梅干菜，
就所谓的梅干菜就对了。Okay, I want Leo to introduce a dish today because it's one of my favorites, and it's called the mustard green 3-layer pork. It's marinated in soy sauce and a lot of spices. It's very juicy, it's tasty, and if you have a bowl of rice and you have it with it, you're gonna finish that bowl of rice in about 5 seconds. 所以到底怎么样去准备这道菜？教我一下。
好，我们主要的材料就是三层肉。
OK， 三层肉哦，就是3层肉嘛，就是
对，
所谓五花肉嘛。
是啊，
好像国外的培根嘛 ，bacon。
对，
有一点像，也是3层嘛。Okay, so you gotta use the 3-layer pork, which is kind of like bacon, but it's in a chunk. All right. 然後呢？
还有再来就是鹹菜乾。
鹹菜乾就是剛剛講的梅乾菜嘛。
是的，
也就是 mustard green。
再來呢，我們就調味料就要有那個調油。
調油 of course， 醬油 that's soy sauce。
還要加那個米酒。
原來還要這個米酒。
對啊，
米酒對不對？
對，米酒可以去腥味，就是那個味道更香。
Exactly, you gotta. This is one missing ingredient in my recipe. You have to put some rice wine, all right? 然後呢，
我們把那個三層肉把它燙過之後呢，拿去用油稍微煎過，然後把它切成大概1公分左右的厚度，之後再把梅乾菜拿炒過之後呢，放到那個豬肉上面，然後拿到電鍋裡頭天翻地包，把它蒸過，蒸大概30分鐘之後呢，這就大功告成了。
OK， 所以要是個水煮，然後又要蒸，然後又要炒這個梅乾菜，其實還蠻多步驟的哈。
對啊，
但是我會切記了 ，OK？ It's actually a semi-complicated process, but basically you take the 3-layer pork, you kind of boil it for until medium well, and then you take your mustard green, you stir fry it, and then finally you slice up the pork into 1 centimeter slices, and then put it into a rice cooker and probably steam it for about 30 minutes, and you have your complete dish of the mustard green 3-layer pork. And how do you say that again in Hakka? 怎麼說？
鹹菜乾控肉。
鹹菜乾控肉。And there you have it, another delicious meal from Leo and We Love Hakka.
送大家。
俺只識張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.